Hi everyone! In this quick video I'm just going to show you how you can make it really easy for your students to find the work that you're setting on Google Classroom, which is especially important for those who are self-isolating, for them to really quickly locate the work that you want them to do. So you can see on my dashboard on Google Classroom that on some of my classes I actually have little links that take me to, or take the student to, the work that I want them to do this week. Those links are appearing there because I have set up the assignment to include a due date. If you set a due date up in the next week, the assignment will actually appear on the student's dashboard, and all I have to simply do then is scroll through their dashboard, locate where there's little links and then click on them. So I'm just going to very quickly show you how to do that, and just click on this one. If you go into classwork and go to create assignment, and you can also go back into an assignment that you've already set for students for this week and next week and edit it in this way. Just where it says due date, if you select a date from here within the next week, it will then appear on the student's dashboard. The second top tip, just to make it really easy for students to find the work, is to make sure that on your classwork tab that you put the work that they're going to be doing that week somewhere like obvious. So I always include this week's lessons topic at the top, and you can create topics by going to create topic. So you can create a topic that says this week's lessons, and you can always have the assignment that you want them to make that week underneath that one, and then after that week you can drag it out and stick it wherever you want to put it in the rest of the classwork. But it just makes it really simple for students to find the work that they're looking for and to crack on and do it quickly. Okay.